Hi, I'm Heidi from WTI. Are you like me where you're old-fashioned and you don't have a stereo system that has Bluetooth? Well, I found this little Bluetooth adapter that lets me listen to my music when I'm at home on that stereo system. I love this little Bluetooth adapter because it's very easy to use. You just have to push that button for 3 seconds for it to turn on,
Power on.
and then for 3 seconds to turn off.
Power on.
I also love the fact that it has a little volume up and a volume down. And when you do turn the volume all the way up, it will beep at you to let you know that you're at the highest level. I also love the fact that some devices will tell you the battery life of things, and some of my devices will actually tell me the battery life of my adapter so that I know when I need to charge it. I also love that it's so small and tiny that it fits in the palm of my hand and that I can put it somewhere where you don't really see it. I love this little adapter, and if you're looking for one, check it out, but that's my point of view.